Okay guys, let us see how the Plant 3D toolbars are used. Okay, so now this is the Plant 3D window, you can see it here. Okay, now you have created a new drawing like AD. Okay, clear. So here, so basic thing, this is the project manager. Say these are all not there here. So this is again a view queue. It will use to take a look at a front view. Mainly the coordinates that we use here are global coordinates. Okay, not a local coordinates. So we have a here also you can change it. Now it is a left means this here also it will show left. You can click here and you can go top here. So both are same only. So this clicking this cube will make the object fit. Okay. Okay, good. So here project manager is not there. You can click here, the project manager will appear. Here tool palette is not there. You can type tool palette will appear here. So which will consist of whatever object you are modeling with respect to that one. For example, okay. So if you want to put the pipe, all the pipe things will come in this tab. If you want to put a support, these things will be here. Equipment, this will be here. Visibility tools will be here. Okay, and ISO, whatever ISO things will be here. Okay, let us see overall uh, briefing of a plant 3D at a one shot. Okay, so let us say I want to create an equipment. I will go here. You guys know different procedures of the equipment. For example, if I go pump here, you can select the predefined pumps here, and you can change the dimension as per the vendor document and give the pump name, and you can also mention any property are there. Okay, different things. Okay, you can select suction and discharge, and you can change the sizes and property here as well. Okay, or you want a pump or any equipment which you want to build yourself, you can go here. So this symbol you can build your own using the shapes, so you can go with the elliptical head shape, you can go with the cylinder, and you can give the dimension of the diameter and height, give the name tag and create. So that will appear here, something like this in the screen. Okay, so it is able to move. When you click on escape key, the commands will exit here. Let me go again to create an equipment. Let me this time take a pump. Okay, so let us say all the dimensions are correct, just create it. The pump will come here. So make sure the north arrow is on the top, and place the equipment as per the plot plan, which direction the pump is there. Just you can just click here in any random coordinate. Otherwise you want to give a coordinate, for example as per the plot plan, just type it 0 comma 0 comma 0, hit enter. So the equipment will be placed at exactly the coordinate whatever you give, in this case 0 comma 0 comma 0. Now you can rotate it, and as per the equipment how it is aligned in the given plot plan, let us say aligned in this direction, click. Okay, now you can see the equipment is exactly at the origin, because so when you click on the equipment, so wherever that dot will show, right, so that is a coordinate point of that equipment. So you can move that equipment, you can do move, click M enter or M space, you can move it. Again you want to give this equipment to certain coordinate, you click here or click here, and you can give 0 comma 0 comma 0, or you can 0. So better you type of move command, select the equipment and move to the location where you want to 0 comma 0 comma 0. That is also good. So otherwise you can say 0 comma 0 comma 0, enter. So that is also good. Okay, so that is how we put it into the coordinate. So whichever coordinate you want to put it, 0 comma 10 comma 10. So that equipment is placed at that given location, 0 comma 0 comma 10, something. Okay, you can see there is a 10 mm offset, it is already there. Okay, similarly if you want to find an ID point of this one, you can as I told you, ID, type ID and check the, want to set center, you can check the center. Okay, something it will come. And this modify equipment, you can change the dimension, or you can click on the right click to change the dimension, modify the equipment, and you can assign the tag. You want to give the name of the part, something you can give here, or you can go to the properties and give here. Both are same only, you can give it. Okay, and these are called nozzles, where we connect our pipes to these nozzles. Okay, so actually these are very important. So these nozzle properties also given in a vendor data sheet. Okay, so when you click on the pump, these nozzles are highlighted with a pencil. So if you click on the pencil, then you can see how the nozzles, which location the nozzle has given, what is the size of the nozzle, flanged connection, rating, and which type of the, if you want a flat face, raised face, RTJ face, so just select whatever you want, then close it. Okay, you can see the RTJ flange little bit thicker. Okay, so similarly, so there are some other command as well. You can attach something to the equipment. For example, this motor, this whatever the ready-made template is there, it is not satisfying to you. You can go to the modeling here and you can do, if you want to do something, okay, you can model. Okay, so after the model, so you can attach this shape, that non-intelligent shape, to the intelligent object. How? Go to the attach equipment, it is asking select an equipment, select a object, enter. So now whenever you select this equipment, this object is also get in the template. Okay, and you can say detach as well. Click here, detach, yes. Now you can see this one is separate, this equipment is separate, like it is a grouping and ungrouping kind of thing. Okay, so this one is a convert equipment, some other type of the equipment from like for example solid edge, something it will be there, we can convert it to equipment. Okay, so this is all about the coordinate, and you can similarly move it to the different location, whichever direction you want, you can move it. Okay, so make sure whenever everything is done, this should be in a WCS only, otherwise everything will be not good. Whenever you doing work, make sure this one is WCS only. Okay, next to coming here, like let us create in the same drawing only. If you want, you can create a separate um, drawings for equipment, piping and all the things. Okay, okay, so let us see what is piping. So here piping, you can give the root new line number and give the line number as per the PNID, water, for it, whatever as per the PNID. You can select the size here, select the spec here, click assign. So all the properties are loaded here. Otherwise you can do it later as well. Okay, so when you click root pipe, and the pipe start to come here. Okay, let me delete it. I want to select this pipe, like how I delete it. Question is how I delete it. Shall I have to select one by one and delete, or how is it? So simple, right click, add to selection, there are different ways to select that object. All connected parts also work, connected line number works, entire line number works, spool number also work. Let us go to all connected and hit the delete. Okay, you want to start some piping from here, like you can click plus here. Okay, now it is showing like you have done something. That nozzle is not in a kind of something. Okay, let us go here and click here. Mixed compound cannot be connected via two. Okay, so I have changed some properties. Let us see here. Okay, now 5 has came here. Okay, for example, let us say you want the pipe size, different pipe size, right? So when you start the pipe, not only here, whenever you start some pipe, so what will happen? The bottom you can see lot of options here. Okay, it will ask, do you want to put a pipe fitting? Click here or type F. You want to change the size? Click here or enter. Yeah, hit yes. You want to change the specification? That is one whatever specification, type SP. You want to change the plane, you want to have a cutback elbow, you want a pipe bend, something. Okay, most of the time we'll use this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, say for example I'm routing, I will click on the size and it will say, so currently you have selected 6" here. What size you want? I want 4". I will 4". Enter. Now you can see the 4" changed here. Okay, and the pipe is also 4". So there is a plane, you want to go to down and up, you have to change the plane. So you click on the plane or P enter, the planes will go on changing. Otherwise shift right click, it will change the plane. Okay, clear? That is a very important thing. So this one is so intelligent, like, so you want to connect it here, you are coming at a 90° and you want connection, so you turn on the 90° or perpendicular or shift right click. What? Shift right click and hit, you want it to perpendicular to this pipe. What will happen? Automatically the fitting will come. That is the beauty. Okay, and you want to move a pipe means you click on the pipe, you can move it, adjust it however you want to adjust it. You want another branch connection or something, you just click on the plus. So whenever there is a plus, the pipe will start from that point. Okay, whenever there is a plus, here also plus is there, you can change the pipe. When you click on the pipe, whenever there is a plus, you can change the pipe. And you want to change the size, you can click here, you can give 2". Automatically the 2" pipe will come automatically from the this point. Okay, that is very important thing. Okay, you want to insert any walls or something, you can insert it directly by clicking here. Okay, so it will automatically adjust as per the size. Small pipe means small it will come, big pipe means big it will come as per the piping specification. All the components are there, you guys can try it. Okay, suppose you want to change the size of the pipe, so you can click here and go to the properties, and in the size you can change the size to any size. Automatically that pipe will be adjusted to that size with some reducer or something like that. Okay, you want to extend this pipe, you can extend it. You can start continuing the pipe, you can continue. As I told you, if you take like this, it will come like this. But if you use the 90° command, so it will connect it to the pipe, perpendicular to the pipe. Okay. Okay. And also, if you want to put any fittings, for example, plus mark, I want to put not here, I want to put a fitting, like you can click here and you can select it from this drop down as well. Ball wall, check wall, gate wall. you can place it. So here also like that also you guys can place it. Okay. Otherwise you can select it and place it from here as well. That is very very important thing. Okay. After you have done, for example, let us say I want to put this line number different as per the PNID. Select this one, go to properties, go to line number and select new and say my name or Manju something. Na? Click assign. So what will happen? This line new line number will be having a Manju. Okay. If you go and check in the properties, it will show Manju something like here. Okay. That's all about this one. Now I want to support these line. How do I want to support? So there is a create support menu is there. Otherwise there is a support menu here as well. Both are same only. So if you click on the create support, the same object will show here. You select the support, how you want to place to the pipe. Click to the pipe, or you want it middle or center, you go to the midpoint, select the midpoint. Okay. And you can extend the support length or something you can give or extend. Okay. You try placing any other type of the support also good. If you want to place a clamp in the nearest somewhere here on the pipe, nearest means any point you can select. Okay, you can see the clamp here. And you want to give a properties to this support, right click properties, go here, give the tag as pipe support ps okay T support T. Now this is called a T. Okay, this is called a clamp. You can give it as a name as a some code name as per the company policy C001. Okay, hope everyone got it. Okay, this is how the modeling works. Okay, so let us see how the isometric we can take it. So you go to the ISOs. Here you go to the production ISO. So here Manju is there. Click on that pipeline number and select the sheet A1, A2, A3 as per your project standard. Click create. So what will happen? This Manju line which I have given from this point to this point, it will create and it will come this here. Okay. Now if I open it here, this is the isometric that is produced. I think you guys can see here. It has support has came, wall has came, everything has came here. Okay. You can check your isometric and whatever the things are there here, it is reported in here. Like how much length of the pipe is used, how much elbows are used, how much flanges are used, all the things will come here. This is called bill of materials. Very very important. Okay. So for example, you want to give the any flow directions, insulations or something. Insulation, let me try to give an insulation here. Flow arrow means the fluid is flowing from this point to this point. Okay, you want to reverse it, you can reverse it. So when you extract the isometric, so similarly here I will give again once again create. Now the isometric in that isometric it will show the direction in which the fluid is moving. Earlier it was not showing. Let me show you everyone. Now there are two symbols that are appearing. One is this round one, that is the insulation. Another one you can see this arrow here, that is called flow direction. Whatever we have given here, that is a flow direction. Okay. Okay. This is the isometric, that how we extract the isometric. Flow direction as per the PNID, if a line is having insulation, we give a insulation, otherwise we don't give. Okay. So how to give insulation? Like like for example, here, so I mean, like let me go here, right click, select, add to selection, line number. So line number means whatever line number we have given, only that part will be selected. Let me go to insulation here. Try to give the insulation, and now let me check what is an issue. No worries. Okay, you can give the in the real time project, so you can give here. Let me give spec as 1C something. You can change the spec, okay? CS300. Okay. Okay. Something. Now we can change the insulation here. Okay. And the same insulation you can turn off, turn on, display. Something you can do it here. Whatever the display is there, you can turn off and on something. Okay, let me try to see here why the insulation. Yes, here it is there, right? Insulation thickness it is there. For example, 25 mm. It enter. Insulation type something. Okay. Now you can see if I turn on the insulation, the 10 mm layer will come, that is called an insulation. If you turn off like this, okay, whatever you give the insulation, it will show little thick. And very important, this watermark, that means something is disconnected. For example, if I move this one little bit here, what will happen? The watermark will show. So that is this watermark. So that means there is some misconnection is there. Now we have to connect it correctly, then that connection will go. Here you can still see the mark because it is not connected. Okay, you want to rotate the ball, something, you click on the ball and you can easily able to rotate. Okay, move, lot of things you guys can do it. Okay, you can swap it, you can swap it different thing, lot of things you can do for any type of the wall. Okay, this is a bold thing here. Okay, so when everything is completed, and here one thing, so all the pipes are routed at center of the pipe, means whatever elevation, for example, if I am routing the line, okay, if I give 100 comma 0 comma 0 means that line has started, it is started with 100 comma 0 comma 0 with the center of the pipe. Okay, if I type id and hit the center of this pipe, try to be of the pipe, 100 comma 0 comma 0, you can see it here, that what I have given, it is taken at the center of the pipe. If you click on the bottom of the pipe, means it will take here, bottom of the pipe. So if you click top of the pipe, means it will take it here. Click here means always we use it the center of the pipe only, but whenever the pipe is running at a pipe rack, for example, okay, so it has to match the bottom of the pipe, then we'll click on the bottom of the pipe and give the whatever the height of the steel is there, automatically it will go. That is our thing. Okay, these things are compasses, like we use it here, right? 90 degrees. Okay, that is very important. So after everything, the isometrics are produced, you want to create an ortho view, which is nothing but a plan view. You can create a new drawing like this. Otherwise, here orthographic is there. Here also you can create a new drawing with some name, or it will be there. This template will appear. So in this template, you can see. So you want to create a view. So which file you want to see it? For example, in my piping AD, this model I want to create. Click OK. Now that model will be opened and it will ask you how you want to adjust. So for example, it has took all the object. Okay, I can adjust it, double. So you can pull it and adjust our how much I want to 3D drawing for the detailing. For this one, this much, for example, this much, I will adjust the cube and click OK. And here it is saying which view you want. I want top view or isometric. For example, let us say I will give isometric. Click OK. So what will happen? Click on the point. If I click means, so this isometric view will come. It is not top view. What you want, if you want to change the view, click here, go to edit view. Okay, you can change it if you want to, otherwise just click top, click OK. So now this is a top view, and this is called a match limit. The boxes limit east, north, south. What is the size of the box? Okay, you want another view to adjacent to it, like you can click an adjacent view. Okay, adjacent view. Which view you want? I want left view. So left view of that same pipe will be produced here. Okay, clear? So you can turn on the insulation. Okay, and other things. Okay, so that is very important in terms of this. Okay, and you can give the tags. Some tags you want to give it, you can go to ortho annotate, and whatever the things are there, you can select it. Okay, so these are the basic things you guys need to know. Capabilities of the Plant3D. Okay, so maybe some other one or two videos, one videos on orthographic and one videos on the piping. Okay, I will prepare it in coming sessions. Okay, yeah, bye bye, thank you.